How to fix the Facebook query error on iPhone or iPad? First tap on OK. Now go back, open settings. Here check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now scroll down. Here tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on VPN and device management. Here disconnect the VPN if it is connected. Now go back. Scroll up. Here tap on iPhone storage. Here search for Facebook app. Here tap on offload the Facebook and offload the app and reinstall it. After this go back, open App Store. Here search for Facebook. Now update Facebook app if update is available. After this go back, restart your device. After restarting your problem will be fixed. If the issue remains, then tap and hold the Facebook app. Here tap on remove app, tap on delete. Now uninstall Facebook app and reinstall it. After this your problem will be fixed.